Meta is going through a direction that's gonna automate everything. And what is gonna be needed? It's creatives. And creatives is the thing that we need most right now. What is the problem? The costs. AdRoast is here to bridge this gap. With a fraction of the cost that you're gonna have by using an agency, you're gonna be able to have a lot of images and a lot of videos AI generated. How does it work? Either you're gonna put your product URL, you're gonna put an image, or you're just gonna describe what you wanna do. You're gonna select the preset that you like, or you're just gonna do it without the preset, and it's gonna generate 3 concepts for you. It's gonna roast each one of the concepts, and it's gonna give you a specific grade for each one of them. After that, you can actually choose to improve further. Same with the videos, you're gonna pick any preset that you want, and then it's gonna generate a video for you. With the social pack feature, you can actually create 30 images, which is actually the whole organic content for the month. What you're winning with AdRoast, you know, because we roast the ads before you even test them, if they have good chances to work or not, then you can improve them further. You can improve them further with AI edits or normal edits. And of course, the most important thing of all, you can use presets if you don't know how to do prompting. So, happy creating with AdRoast, and I will hope to see you inside. Hi guys, in this AdRoast episode, I'm gonna show you how you can actually do ads out of nothing. Let's say that you don't even have a website, okay? So, for the purpose of that, I have this karakuri box. What are the karakuri boxes? Karakuri boxes are Japanese wooden boxes. The craftsmanship is amazing. It's actually a box that you can open it's a puzzle basically. So this is a bulldozer. So you have to do this, you move this, and basically you can open this hidden compartment, and then you have to put it back into its place. You can have it as a decorative piece, or you can have it because you like to solve the riddles and stuff. This is a very simple one. They are more complex. I collect them for many years. It's one of my passions. I said, why not? Let's take some pictures of this product over here, and let's make some ads for it. There's not a website, there's nothing, and we're just gonna make some ads for this product. Let's take the pictures. So these are the pictures that we took. As you can see, they're not the best ones. Okay, so I took some different angles. That's it. These are the 4 images, okay? And we're gonna now use these 4 images in order for us to be able to produce some ads. Let's see how this is gonna go. So we're coming here on generate ads. We have the images that I just took with my mobile phone. Target audience is collectors. We don't have an offer. Key benefits is a decoration wooden craftsmanship piece from Japan, which is also a puzzle box to solve and have fun. Karakuri puzzle box, a box you open by moving pieces, good to have as a decoration piece, but also a riddle on how to find the hidden compartment. Here I added one specific text: get today inside our next lottery to win this, because you cannot just buy it. You have to be part of a lottery. They're gonna produce 500 pieces, let's say, and 1,000 people, they're gonna try to get them. So it's gonna be a lottery. The 500 people that they will win the lottery, they are gonna be able to buy. Nothing else over here. Let's continue. Let's use over here a preset, and obviously I'm gonna go to kids here, but I'm gonna use something which is gonna be a little bit like this one, bedtime story, this one, or this one, art table, maybe. Let me check this one. It's more about sand and stuff. Sand excavation, no, we don't need that. This could be family game night, but it's just a product. I don't know what else it can have. Let's go on this one. Let me see what we have here. I mean, I like this one. I'm curious to see what it's gonna do. Okay, so let's see. We have no website, we have nothing. We just have this and a preset and just the things that we put as information. So these are the results that we're having, okay? So we're having decorative, craft, deceptive puzzle and all of that. This is one image. I really like it. It actually made it nice. Unlock the art of Japanese craftsmanship. Obviously, you can do all the things that we discussed, AI edit and all of that. Get today inside our next lottery to win this. It's the text that I said that I wanted to add. The secret of art solving. I like also this one. It has some bad scoring. Let's improve it further. So the viewers who know that's being sold in 2 seconds. No, we don't need offer clarity. Copy and wording, hook strength, and let's do this one. Let's see what it's gonna do with those 3. So we went from this to this one. It actually improved. It pulled some different things here. I like this one more, to be honest with you. I think it's better than this one. We can do also AI edit over here, and we can add things like we can add 5-star reviews. We can add a different background. Let's say, for example, that we want to change the background to add an Indiana Jones background. So we have an Indiana Jones background over here. You can do many more things, okay? You can add an object, you can remove an object, you can try your own prompt to do whatever you can think of. For instance, let's say that your audience is black people, so make the hands light black tone, let's say light black tone skin. Okay, so let's do that. I don't know if it's gonna keep the kobo skinny, as we call it. I don't know, there are many black people wearing kobo skinny. It's an orthodox thing. Yeah, it's keeping it. So you can see it's here and it goes here. I can say even darker, blah, 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 and all of that. Whatever you can imagine, you can do over here with the AI edit. Just to remind you, we started from just a simple image and we were at the point that we have created these ads over here, okay? So we started from this and we have created ads. It's needless to say that you can do the same with clothing, you can do the same with a supplement product, you can do the same with anything that you can think of. You can put it on the second option over here with images and upload photos. You can put your own context over here or not even do that. I would suggest you to do it because it doesn't have a URL to actually pull information. So the more information you put, the better it's gonna be for you. Or even if you don't have the images, you can just describe it over here and you can just say that I'm someone who is selling this and this and this service and I want ads for this, you know, and we're gonna enhance it with AI and give you a prompt to have the best possible results. I'm gonna make also a video that I'm using only describe it, but for now I think that this is a video with upload photos so that you can see the capabilities of AdRoast and what it can actually do. This is another video of me using AdRoast for a brand, exploring the capabilities of this amazing tool, and I will see you guys on the next one.